This is a very beautiful flowering plant that it's a wild plant and grows in rocky kind of soil. You can see the soil, it's quite rocky here, and has beautiful orange flowers. It can easily be grown in gardens. Somehow gardeners have neglected it, and it's a legume. And as you may know, these legumes are they fix the nitrogen for the soil, and further this is a perennial herb. That means perennial means it grows for years together, and farmers can use this for mulching. If you chop at the end of the season after the flowers, if you chop the plant and put it down, it will decompose, and next year once again, I mean, chop means you can't completely destroy it, but it will regenerate. And it belongs to the pea family, like beans and all. You can see the seeds are they look like a pod, like one of the peas only actually, and even the flower has a pea like look, and underneath it has ash, kind of a little ashy kind of green, and on top it is regular, and it's also it's quite thick, and thick leaves that don't tear easily, and smooth and nice. There's no hairy stuff growing on the leaves, and it occurs in large clumps like this, and even in very harsh soil. This is actually pure laterite. There's no mud at all here, but it is grows quite well, and it is specialized for rocky places and doesn't need much soil, so it will improve the soil. If you have a rocky land, then this is a good plant to have, so that it can open up the soil, and it looks also very pretty. Large clumps, and also another thing, it is somewhat toxic, and all this entire tinctoria group of plants are poisonous, and so it doesn't get any insect attack. You don't have to, if you use it as a garden plant, you don't have to worry about insect attack, and it's very pleasing to the eye, and being hardy doesn't require any maintenance, and further it is widespread in western as well as eastern hemispheres, mainly in tropical countries, and uh, Thephrosia. The correct name is Thephrosia tinctoria. Okay, Thesprasia. And Thephros means ash color. That underneath the leaf, it's little ashy color. No, so that's why. And another interesting thing about these leaves are fish toxins. That is, in some of these tribals and all, if they want to catch fish by poisoning using poison, they use crush it and somehow make make those fish to get caught. And it is feeding lot of bees. I can see quite a few bees here that are enjoying the nectar. and it is used as a, it can be that scientists have done trials whether it can be used as an insecticide, and they found there are few poisons in it which can do well as an insecticide. And in Kannada it's called batte haraku gida. Very beautiful and pleasant color.